What causes black residue to form on a cast iron skillet?
Hey there, cooking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of you may have encountered while using your beloved cast iron skillet. Have you ever wondered what causes that annoying black residue to form on the surface? Well, you're in the right place, because we're going to uncover the mystery behind it. So, let's get started.
The seasoning process.
To understand why black residue forms on a cast iron skillet, we need to talk about the seasoning process. Seasoning refers to the process of building up a layer of polymerized oil on the surface of the skillet, which creates a natural non-stick coating. This coating not only prevents rust but also enhances the skillet's performance and adds flavor to your dishes.
High heat and polymerization.
One of the main culprits behind the black residue is high heat. When you cook with your cast iron skillet at high temperatures, the oils and fats in your food can reach their smoke point. This causes the oils to break down, releasing carbon particles that get deposited on the skillet's surface. However, it's important to note that not all black residue is the same. Some of it can be harmless carbon buildup from the cooking process, but other residues might indicate issues with the seasoning or improper care.
Inadequate cleaning and maintenance.
Inadequate cleaning and maintenance can also contribute to the formation of black residue. When food particles or oils are not properly cleaned off the skillet after use, they can become rancid and form a sticky layer. Over time, this layer can darken and turn into black residue. Furthermore, using harsh cleaning methods or abrasive materials can strip away the seasoning layer, exposing the bare iron surface. This can lead to more frequent black residue formation, as the iron reacts with the food and creates a darker appearance.
Moisture and rust.
Moisture is another factor that can cause black residue on a cast iron skillet. Exposure to moisture can lead to rust formation on the skillet's surface. When rust develops, it can mix with oils or food particles, resulting in black residue. To prevent rust and subsequent black residue, it's crucial to keep your cast iron skillet dry and store it in a cool, dry place. Applying a thin layer of oil after each use can help create a protective barrier against moisture. And there you have it, folks. The black residue on your cast iron skillet can be caused by various factors, including the seasoning process, high heat, inadequate cleaning and maintenance, as well as moisture and rust. Remember, proper care and maintenance are key to keeping your cast iron skillet in great condition and ensuring many delicious meals ahead. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.